Okay, the first step you're going to do is to load up the music video you're going to review. The next thing you want to do is you want to go to the Media tab and you want to hit the Record drop-down list and select Record from PC Screen. A screen recorder pop-up window will appear, and there you'll see a microphone, a speaker, and a webcam. Make sure each of those do not have a line through them. In other words, they should be activated. The microphone could be your webcam microphone, or it could be a standalone microphone. Make sure it's selected from the drop-down list below. The speaker is going to be the music from your video, your music video. Make sure that the output wherever the music is coming from is selected in the drop-down box below it. And finally, make sure that the webcam is the webcam that you have plugged in and that is actually active at the time. There's just one more setting that you need to set, and you see in the lower left-hand corner the word Settings. You click on that to open it up. There's only one change to be made to here, and that's to select Camera Screen Splitting. This will separate your audio tracks, your voice input from the music, and it will also separate your on-screen webcam from the music video so that you can adjust it yourself. Go on to the actual recording now, and while I'm doing a webcam recording, and hopefully looking a little bit at the webcam. I actually don't really have a webcam, but this is just a make-do setup. Anyway, you won't see the image on the screen while you're recording because we've split the video image into two, the screen recording, and also the audio has been split into two tracks. So I'm going to play a little bit of the song, and occasionally I'll say something, then I'll stop, play the music, then I'll say something else, and so forth. And you'll see how that all comes together in the end. Here we go. This is a very nice song. I happen to like it a lot. I used it in a special video that I made. Okay, I think I'll end my recording now. Finish our recording, we're going to take it and we're going to drop it down on the timeline. And when we do, we quickly see that it's not one, but rather three different tracks. The top track is the webcam, and which is down here in the lower corner. And the middle track is our music video. And the bottom track is actually the microphone, or rather me talking. So let's address the microphone issue first, because that was your main question. How can I make my voice louder than the voice, or rather than the music? And we do that by double clicking on it, and we get into the audio portion. And we're already scrolled down, but I'll just show you from the top. You scroll down until you find audio ducking. And you apply audio ducking to the soundtrack that you want to be the loudest. And in this case, it's your voice. So we apply it. And as soon as we did, we noticed that this actually went down in volume. Okay. But unfortunately, it's all of it because this is one continuous track. So there's a little bit of editing here. You need to basically go in and cut out all of the... Okay, let me back that one up there once. You're going to probably be in the synchronized mode here without the auto ripple, but you want to unlink everything. You want this to be its own separate little track, so you're only working on that. Okay, so we make a cut, and we go over here. We make a cut. It's very easy to see where we're talking, where we're not talking. So we just go ahead and cut out those portions of the audio track that we're talking, and then we select them all, and we just hit delete, and now we have blank spaces. And already right away we can see that the sound level of the music in the background is increased wherever there is no sound. Okay, so that does the sound. But now I noticed that, for example, you like to be big in the background, and you want to have the music video in the foreground. So that means we basically have to switch these two tracks around. So we'll do that. We'll move the one up. We'll move the other one down. And now we have the music track on top and you on the bottom. And we're going to go ahead and just apply a mask. I mean, this is totally optional. You don't have to do this with your own, but I don't know how you frame out your own little picture. But anyway, this we can just do that. And then we click back on the basic, and now we can scale it down because I noticed that you had it over here in the corner. And I'm basically just going off that one link that you gave me. Maybe you have a different format now. But here we go. We're going to put our music video there. And then you got your webcam, and you like to be big, so we'll make it big. I'm making a little fun of you here. But so I hope you take that just as a sport. Actually, I don't have a good webcam. I only have a 360 camera, so that's why we got this goofy split image. But now we actually have this music video going in the background, and when the music is playing, then it's not very loud. It's loud, but then when I'm talking, then I'm louder than the music, which is what you were really looking for. So this puts it all together. Okay, as a little bonus here at the end, I talked about how you could improve or speed up your workflow with your intros and outros. I will give you a link to another one on how to make, one of my other videos on how to make a compound clip and how to create a template. But if you create templates, then you can click on templates. You could go into mine, you go down to customs, and you can then drag your intro right down onto there to the video, and make sure, of course, your link is set up. And here's the intro. This is the intro I use to my videos. And it says insert titles here. And you'll notice it's all in one little track here. So I need to go up here to the main timeline and click on the insert title. That takes the compound clip. This compound clip is combining a bunch of different tracks into one. And I'll give you the link, as I said, so you know how to do that. But I just wanted to change one thing in here, and that's to give it another title right here. So this is a basic intro that I use. And let's say this is, what are we doing? We're using screen recording. Screen recording with 2 sound inputs. Okay, that's what we'll call our little recording. And once we're done with that, we can go ahead and go back to the main timeline. And if I make any changes in my project here, it will not mess up the timing that's right here. So now I have my little intro. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and close this recording, and this is going to be the end of the video. Hopefully you can find it useful.